On top International Day for Women and Girls in Science, Edo First Lady don talk say e go better make all the yamayama wey dey limit women on top science end kpatakpata.
Societies to condemn this act.
The number one woman for Edo State and wife of Edo State Governor, Betsy Obaseki, don yarn say make everybody collabo to comot all the yamayama things on top gender matter wey dey affect women. Make dem for fit dey perform wella for any area wey dem dey, and especially for science. Edo First Lady talk this one for statement to take mark International Day for Women and Girls in Science wey shele for Friday 11th February 2021. Una go sabi say na ogbonge day wey dem dey use take recognize the better things wey women and girls don do on top science matter, plus the different deve wey dey shele for the world. Make una sabi say plenty women no fit do all the things wey dem suppose do well plus still achieve ogbonge things sake of say plenty yamayama things wey dey shele on top gender matter don too affect dem, and some of dem don even kpeme on top the matter sef. For Edo First Lady statement to take mark the ogbonge day, she yarn say plenty women and girls wey dey for science don do plenty ogbonge things on top science, medicine, engineering and others, and some of dem don still use the knowledge wey dem get take handle different problems for the whole world wey COVID-19 con even be the oga kpatakpata. The First Lady still come here and say e go better make people recognize all the better things wey women dey do, make everybody for fit collabo end the bad things wey dey affect women and girls like gender violence plus discrimination for schools, work, house and other areas of life. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. As Edo First Lady don talk say e go better make all the yamayama wey dey limit women on top science end kpatakpata. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate dey come sama una. My name na Oiza Aboriogun from Benin.